Hello, little friends. Hope you're having a good time. So, today, let us learn something about living and non living things. So, all things can be divided into two groups, living and non living. So, what all comes under living things? Human beings, animals, and plants. These come under living things. And things such as the sun, clouds, water, table, chair, pencil, pen, your laptop, everything comes under the non-living things. So, what do living things do? Can you tell me? Living things can move, right? Now, Mama must be telling you to sit at one place and listen or watch this video. But what are you doing? Running around. Right. But can your laptop run with you? No. So living things can move. Living things move on their own, like animals, cats and dogs walk and run. Fishes swim, birds fly. Animals move to find food and shelter, and they also move to protect themselves from the enemies. Similarly, plants. Some of the parts of the plants can also move. Do you know? For example, the roots grow and move deep into the soil for water. The branches of the plants also grow towards the sunlight. They require sunlight to grow, right? Can your book move from one place to another on its own? Try. No, right? So, non-living things cannot move, but living things can move. Now, what do living things need? Living things need food. Living things need food to live and grow. Food gives living thing energy to work. Food also helps them to become strong and healthy. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. And green plants use sunlight, air, and water to make their own food. But is that the same case with the non-living things? No, non-living things do not need food, right? Does your table or the chair require food to remain alive or to be at your home? No, it will remain that way forever. So, non-living things do not require food like living things do. Living things breathe. Living things breathe to stay alive. Like the animals, we breathe through our lungs. Fishes breathe through their gills. Insects have tiny holes on their bodies for breathing. And plants? Where do plants breathe from? Plants breathe through pores on their leaves. These pores are called stomata. And likewise, non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. Living things feel the changes around them. What do you feel when you touch an ice cube? Ah, cold, right? Your fingers feel really cold and numb. So, like the animals feel changes around them with the help of sense organs such as eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. And plants can also feel. The leaves of the touch me not plant glows when you touch them. Have you tried this? If not, do go and check out. It's very interesting. But it's not the case with the non-living things. Non-living things cannot feel. Try and hit your table. It will not cry. I guarantee. Living things grow. You're growing it, right? Try and check how tall you were a year back and now how tall you are. You must have definitely grown by a few centimeters. So, living things grow. Living things grow into their adult forms. Animals. A child grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen. And likewise, a baby plant grows into a tree. But non-living things, as I said, do not grow. Now, living things can reproduce. Living things produce babies. Animals, some living things such as human beings, cows, ducks, and cats give birth to babies. And some living things such as birds, snakes, frogs, fishes, and insects, they lay eggs. Their babies hatch out of these eggs. And plants, plants produce new plants from various parts such as the seeds, stems, and the roots. Just try and think, can the table or pencil reproduce? Does a pencil give birth to another pencil? No. So, non living things cannot reproduce. Now, living things give out waste. Animals give out waste such as urine or sweat. Our nose helps us to remove impure air. Our skin helps us to remove the sweat. Similarly, plants also produce waste products. Plants remove waste gases and excess water through their leaves. They also remove waste through their barks. But the non living things do not give out waste. Based on what we discussed, let us see the differences between the living and non living things. So, living things move on their own, while non living things do not move on their own. Living things need food to live and grow. Non living things do not require food. Living things breathe, while non living things do not breathe. Living things feel changes around them, and non living things do not. Living things grow old and die, and non living things stay as it is. Living things produce babies. Non living things cannot produce babies. Living things give out waste. Non living things cannot give out waste. Now let us see the difference between plant and animals. Though plants and animals are living things, they are different in many ways. Do you want to know how? Now, in terms of movements, plants cannot move from one place to another, but animals can move. Similarly, plants make their own food, and animals eat plants and other animals. Plants breathe through their pores in the leaves, and animals breathe through different organs such as the lungs, gills, holes, etc. Plants have a very weak ability to feel, but animals have a strong sense of feeling. And plants reproduce through seeds and other parts. But animals, they reproduce by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. So, here we come to the end of the topic. Do let me know how you found it and do keep visiting for more such information. Bye until next time. Take care. Bye bye.